Danwood Group has about 1,300 employees. We're the largest independent provider of photocopiers and printers in the UK. We've got about 18,000 customers. We have about 100,000 products out in customers' businesses, and it's our job to provide the machines and then service and maintain them. As the market leader, we wanted core systems with standard processes to help make sure that our customers receive the same experience in Scotland, Cornwall and London. So we're investing in the cloud. We have mobility at the heart of what it is that we're doing. The office of the future is what a Danwood office should look like.
I love the fact now that we've got Link. It's saved on having to do an awful lot of email traffic that would normally go about just by very quick instant messaging, just grabbing someone's attention online. I'm with such and such a client at the moment. Could you just quickly respond to this? It gets dealt with. My regional sales manager is based out of Leeds, along with 2 other members of our team. So having the ability to link and video conference now means potentially I can save an hour and a half's drive to Leeds to sit in a meeting. It's a lot better use of time.
We've collated data on why our machines break down, and we're using Microsoft SharePoint as the basis of that database. We are now resolving 25% of every query that comes in a call center environment rather than having to send an engineer. That has an immediate impact on customer satisfaction because they pick up the phone and 5 minutes later their printer is working again. Whereas historically, they'll have had to wait for an engineer to turn up.
We've created a marketing media library in SharePoint which will allow anyone within the company, wherever they are, to take out logos, imagery, templates, and we know then that everything sticks to our brand guidelines.
Yammer was only released about 4 months ago. It is effectively the modern day intranet. We have allowed people to set up groups where they actually want to discuss a certain manufacturer's product. So they will set up that group and they'll talk about that product and they'll resolve issues or talk about new releases. It's quite a natural notice board.
This is social media for business, and it is a way of accelerating towards a customer resolution. And with that customer resolution, customer satisfaction goes up. And actually it's rewarding for the engineers as well. So they're stuck in front of a machine and all of a sudden they got an answer that's presented to them that may have taken longer in the past. So Yammer, I'm a fan.
Our sales force are mobile, our engineers are mobile. Therefore we need to have a technology that allows them to do what they need to do. Moving to the cloud version of CRM, we now have a technology solution in place that's made our business far more efficient and far more responsive to the customer's discussions, but also to our salesman's needs to capture the data quickly, which ultimately feeds the board's needs to have visibility of what we're doing across the piece. We engaged IM Group to be our trusted partner, to tell us what the technology could do and how to adopt it in the most easy-to-use way. They are knowledgeable on their topics and they're a good company to work with.
We have a program of activity within our business and it's called Sleep Easy, and it was absolutely at the top of my agenda 6 months ago, and it is now something that I don't worry about. I sleep easy because I know that the cloud works and that the Microsoft products that we have brought in